clemency hearing for Kevin Underwood postponed again. Supposed to take place last Wednesday, was moved to today after the resignation of two pardon and parole board members. Fox 25's Paige Taylor live with the reason behind this latest postponement. Paige, what happened here?
Well, Adam, we're learning the hearing did not happen this morning because Kevin Underwood's attorneys filed for a stay of clemency proceedings and execution, causing the court to enter a temporary stay. Kevin Underwood is convicted of murdering 10-year-old Jamie Rose Bolin in 2006 in Purcell. As of now, Underwood is set to be executed on December 19th. His December 4th clemency hearing was canceled on November 29th. Oklahoma Attorney General Getner Drummond claims this was due to two members of the Pardon and Parole Board resigning. The hearing was then moved to Monday, December 9th. On Friday, Governor Stitt appointed Susan Stava to fill one of the vacant seats, bringing the total number of board members to 4. On Sunday, a U.S. district judge denied a request from Underwood's attorneys to stay the clemency proceeding due to the reasoning of there not being a full 5-member board, and his psychologist and one of his lawyers would not be able to attend on December 9th. But on Monday, the hearing once again did not happen. Underwood's attorneys filed a request for a stay of clemency proceedings and execution. The United States Court of Appeals 10th Circuit then entered into a temporary stay for the clemency hearing.
I would say the defendants haven't done anything to precipitate this problem. It's all been the state's failure to act.
Reverend Don Heath is the chair of the Oklahoma Coalition to Abolish the Death Penalty, and he says he's still hopeful the state will show mercy. But he says at this point the execution date needs to be pushed back.
The execution is currently scheduled for a week from Thursday. Usually these clemency hearings are heard 3 weeks before the execution. I don't see what the harm is in putting the execution off for 2, 3, or 4 weeks. In order to allow for the normal time frame for the clemency hearing.
Governor Stitt's office tells Fox 25 the office is working on appointing another board member in a timely manner.
A lot of these issues would essentially be moot if he would just go ahead and appoint the 5th person. I mean, it's been 6 weeks. Why are they in a hurry to execute Underwood if he's not in a hurry to have a full pardon and parole board ready for a clemency hearing?
The Pardon and Parole Board had until 4 p.m. today to respond to the request. Underwood has until 9 a.m. tomorrow to then file a reply. Reporting live in Oklahoma City, Paige Taylor, Fox 25 News.